Good morning, everyone. I am Lee McNider, the coordinator of the Green Sanctuary team and today's sermon leader. I am very happy to be together this morning to talk about this important climate program. I would like to begin with my own personal call to action. A few years ago, my siblings and I were organizing our family reunion. While we were planning drinks for everyone, we discussed whether to get bottled water or use tap water and drinking glasses. We reasoned that filling a pitcher and glasses would be messy and instead took the easy route by loading a cooler with ice and serving single bottled drinks. It was easy and convenient. After the event, and as we were throwing the plastic water bottles in the recycle bin, some still half filled with water, I saw the pile of plastic and wondered where these bottles would end up. We were recycling them, that is true, but we've been hearing that recycling message for decades. The message that plastic is recycled into something else of use. And suddenly I had my doubts. I was uneasy with the amount of waste that we were creating and wondered what was the truth. Where does this plastic go after we have consumed the product, usually within hours or days of purchasing it? Well, it turns out that most of the plastic goes in a landfill, the ocean, or is dumped on some third world country, because the reality is that only 9% of plastic in the United States is recycled. That means 91% isn't. Here's a challenge for you. Next time you're at a grocery store, look down any aisle and try to find 5 things that are not wrapped, bottled, or somehow stored in plastic. You will be hard pressed because literally everything that we buy is encased in plastic. In an age when we are given a choice for everything, fat-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, I wanted the choice to be plastic-free. Thus began my quest to engage in climate action and to stop polluting the earth with single-use plastic that is choking us and our planet. Plastic is both a pollution and a carbon problem. It is among the most greenhouse gas intensive industry and the fastest growing. Beyond that, the presence of plastic wrapped everything sends us the false message that we have nothing to be concerned about, that we are not facing a global crisis, that more trash and carbon dioxide are harmless. We know this is not true. We know that climate change is real and that the Earth's temperature is rising. The UUA has issued an urgent call to action. We are called to join with others to halt practices that fuel climate change, instigate sustainable alternatives, and to mitigate the impending effects of global climate change. We are guided to action through the UUA's Green Sanctuary program, which we will hear more about in the sermon today. Blessed be.